This is in Catilinam 7.13. So starting off, we are going to identify all of the verbs. So we have discere, we have eripe, obviously est, opprimar, timere, and desinam. And so we can start with this first clause here, quam ob rem discede atque hunc mihi timorem eripe. So we have this first little bit, this quam right here, which we can write as for this reason. And so we have our two verbs, and there's an and here, so that will connect both of those. And then here is timorem, which is the direct object. So discede means separate or remove. So you could, and this is second present imperative. It's active. And eripe is to take away, and it is also second present active imperative. So we can say for this reason, separate and take away this sphere with our direct object of me or of mine. So separate and take away this sphere of mine. So now that we've completed that first section, we can work these little chunks. So this here is a conditional because of if, and we have our verb to be. So if it is true, which is versus, si est versus, if it is true, ne opprimar, so this is our next verb, and opprimar is first singular present passive subjunctive. So if it is true, ne opprimar, I should not be crushed. Now sin falsus, but if it is false, and our final chunk here, ut tandem aliquando, this all goes together, which would be once that at long last. And then we have our final two verbs, timere and desinam. And timere is present active infinitive. And it means obviously to fear, which we know. And desinam is first singular present subjunctive, and it's active. So finally, once that at long last I cease to fear. So our final sentence, quam ob rem discede atque hunc mihi timorem eripe, si est versus ne opprimar, sin falsis ut tandem aliquando timere desinam, translates to, for this reason, separate and take away the sphere of mine. If it is true, Surely I should not be crushed. But if it is false, once that at long last I cease to fear.